going to start with our next puzzle, that is weight puzzle. तो यहाँ पे आज हम दो puzzle करेंगे. We'll do puzzle 4 and puzzle 5 together. So this is puzzle 4 and puzzle 5 that we'll do today. So let's start with the first puzzle. There are 81 identical diamonds. These type of puzzles are asked in Infosys too much. So Infosys interview asks these sort of questions too often. So kindly take care of that. So there are 81 identical diamonds. All of them have same weight except one. This odd diamond is lighter in weight than the rest. तो 81 आइडेंटिकल डायमंड्स का मतलब क्या हुआ? सारे के सारे डायमंड्स एक जैसे हैं शेप एंड साइज में. All of them have same weight, सबका weight बराबर except one. This odd diamond is lighter in weight than the rest. You have been provided with a balance. What are the minimum number of times that you need to use the balance to find out the odd diamond? तो यहां पर एक बार ट्राई कर लीजिए, फिर मैं सॉल्व करता हूं. यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो. नाउ द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स तो हमेशा वन ही होगा. आई पिक टू डायमंड्स. One of them comes out to be lighter and one of them comes out to be heavier. Something of that sort, correct? तो एक lighter आ गया, एक heavier आ गया. Hence answer for all these type of questions would always be 1. But that's wrong. They would always write minimum number of times, but what I need to find out over here is minimum worst possible case minimum. तो मिनिमम बोलेगा तो जो अपन ने आंसर बोला कि हमने दो साइड रखा और एक आ गया मेरा आंसर, हर बार एक आएगा आंसर, वो था मेरा बेस्ट पॉसिबल केस मिनिमम. दे वुड नेवर राइट इट डाउन, बट व्हाट दे मीन इज वर्स्ट पॉसिबल केस मिनिमम. करेक्ट. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड विद द क्वेश्चंस. माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी that I would divide 81 diamonds into 3 heaps of 27 each. I will measure the first two. Let's name this. This is heap A, this is heap B, and this is heap C. So when I will measure heap A and heap B and put these on the two sides of the balance, now there are a couple of situations that can arise. One, both of them comes out to be equal. The other, one of them comes out to be heavier and the other comes out to be lighter. If both of them comes out to be equal, then what will happen? This 27, the heap C, is definitely consisting of the lighter diamond, and I will proceed with 27 and I will keep these 54 diamonds apart. Correct? The other situation that can arise, that this comes out to be heavy and this comes out to be lighter, then I will take the lighter heap and proceed ahead. So let's assume these two to be equal in this case. So I would proceed with this 27. So I've already used the balance once. So now these 27 diamonds will be divided into 3 heaps of 9 each. Again I will measure the first and the second one. What will happen? Let's say this comes out to be lighter, this comes out to be heavier in this case. So I will proceed ahead with these 9 diamonds. So now I have used the balance twice. These 9 diamonds I will divide into 3 parts, 3, 3 and 3 each. Again I will measure the first and the second one. This will come out, let's say this comes out to be lighter, this comes out to be heavier. So I have used the balance now thrice. I will pick this heap of 3 diamonds and will divide it further into 3 divisions of 1 each. So when I will measure the first and the second one, what will happen? What can happen? Both of them comes out to be equal, then this is the lighter diamond. Or let's say this comes out to heavier and this comes out to be lighter. So I have used the balance 4 times and I have reached to the lighter diamond. And this is the worst possible case minimum. Correct? Next one is, we'll do one more puzzle. So the question remains same. The only thing that changes is instead of 81 now, the 82 is the answer. Question. So the entire question remains same. Now 81 changes to 82 and we need to answer the same question. Again I would ask you to pause the video and try to solve it on your own, and so that you understand the nuances of solving a puzzle. Correct. So let me start with this now. 82, I will divide it into 4 parts, 27, 27 27 and 1. 4 parts of 27, 27, 27 and 1. Again I will measure the first and the second one, but deliberately I would assume them to be equal. Why? Because I want to see the worst possible case. Supposedly if I consider this as to be heavier and this as lighter, then I will move from 80 to 27 in one go, 27 to 9 in one go, 9 to 3, 3 to 1, the answer will be 4. So to deliberately see the worst possible case, I am assuming them to be equal. So I would now have used the balance once, and I would move to the next round with 28 diamonds. Again I will divide 28 into 4 parts, 9, 9, 9 and 1. Again I would deliberately assume these to be equal in measurement. So my number of times is now 2. Again I would have to proceed with these 10 diamonds. 10 I would have again divided into 3, 3, 3 and 1. Again on measuring these two I am assuming them to be equal. If I don't do that, I would get the answer 4, which is not the correct answer. So I will proceed with 4 in the next game round. Again I will divide into 4 into 1, 1, 1, 1. Now if I equate these two and this comes out to be equal, so I've already used the balance 4 times, as you can see. Now I am left with 2, correct? So we'll have to measure these two. Let's say one comes out to be heavier, one comes out to be lighter. Hence the lighter diamond is found. So the number of times that I will use the worst possible case answer will be 5. Don't consider 4 as the answer. That was the catch in this puzzle. Okay, that's it guys. We'll come out with a new puzzle tomorrow. Thank you.